Module 1. Chemistry is the study of matter, its properties, and the changes it undergoes. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space, and chemistry explores how matter interacts with other matter and energy. The effects of chemistry are all around us, from the air we breathe to the water we drink, the food we eat, and the materials we use in our daily lives. Chemicals are substances that are made up of one or more atoms, and they can be found in both natural and synthetic forms. Chemistry is concerned with the properties of chemicals, how they react with each other, and how they can be used to create new materials or products. The relationship between matter and chemistry is fundamental, as chemistry is the study of how matter behaves and how it interacts with other matter and energy. By understanding the properties of matter, chemists can develop new materials, medicines, and technologies that improve our lives and the world around us. The scientific method is a systematic approach to investigating and understanding the natural world. It is a way of answering questions and solving problems that is based on observation, experimentation, and analysis. The steps of the scientific method are as follows. 1. Observation. The first step of the scientific method is to make observations about the natural world. Observations can be made using our 5 senses or by using tools such as microscopes or telescopes. 2. Formulate a question. Once observations have been made, a researcher will formulate a question about what they have observed. This question should be clear and specific so that it can be answered through further investigation. 3. Hypothesis. A hypothesis is an educated guess or tentative explanation for the question at hand. It is based on the observations made and previous knowledge. The hypothesis should be testable and falsifiable, meaning that it can be proven false through experimentation. 4. Experiment. An experiment is designed to test the hypothesis. It involves manipulating one or more variables and observing the results. The experiment should be carefully designed to ensure that it provides valid and reliable data. 5. Collect and analyze data. During the experiment, data is collected and analyzed to determine whether or not the hypothesis is supported. Data can be quantitative, numbers, or qualitative, observations. 6. Conclusion. Based on the data collected, the researcher will draw a conclusion about whether the hypothesis was supported or not. The conclusion should be based on evidence and data and should be communicated clearly. 7. Peer review and publication. The final step of the scientific method is to have the results reviewed by other scientists in the field. This helps to ensure that the study was conducted properly and that the conclusions are valid. The results can then be published in a scientific journal. In addition to the scientific method, key math principles are also necessary to solve problems in chemistry. These principles include algebra, trigonometry, and calculus. Chemists use math to calculate properties of matter, predict chemical reactions, and analyze experimental data. It is important for students of chemistry to have a strong foundation in math, as it will be essential for success in the course. In this course, we will explore the fundamental concepts of chemistry, including the properties of matter, chemical reactions, and the periodic table of elements. We will also delve into topics such as thermodynamics, kinetics, and electrochemistry. Throughout the course, we will use the scientific method to investigate chemical phenomena and develop our understanding of the behavior of matter and chemicals. As we delve into the world of chemistry, it is important to keep in mind the profound impact that chemistry has on our lives. Chemistry is essential to modern life, from the medicines we take to the terminology we use to communicate and travel. By understanding the principles of chemistry, we can appreciate the role it plays in our daily lives and work to use it to create a better world.